Hi friends, never ever compare yourself with any other person. There is nothing like comparison that can be done between non-uniform things. Each one of us is unique, and we need to recognize that we all are not same, and hence we cannot compare ourselves with others in terms of anything. The mindset of two individuals is not same. The memory capacity is not same. The IQ is not same. And then why people go on comparing with others? If at all there is comparison, then it should be limited and it should be on the positive terms. If comparing yourselves with others gives you some sort of motivation for your growth or to do things and push yourself, then you can compare. But just simple comparison will only make you feel low and brings down your self-esteem. You must recognize that not everything happens to you at this time. For every person, there is a time at which he or she will be successful. Either we should wait for the time or we should continuously build upon ourselves to increase our level, equalizing with that excel level. The sun and the moon can't be compared. They come in their own time and they have their own value. Same is the case. If you are to compare, it should not stop just by comparison or criticizing others. You can follow what the other person is doing to achieve success, or you can devise your own ways which you feel will help you to achieve success, and you can follow the ways which you have made for yourself, which you have customized for yourself. Success isn't the same for every person. I have heard a small paragraph. A child who is in the field looks at an aeroplane in the air and thinks and dreams of flying in that plane, becoming a pilot or becoming a rich person so that he could fly in that plane. At the same time, if you change your perspective, you will find that the passenger who is on the plane or the pilot who is on the plane might always think of happily spending his life like the child in the field, or the passenger in the plane might long for going to his happy home instead of his busy life. The same will be for any person. We look at others and we always try to become like them. But what we don't notice is others look at us and they might always try to become like us. In the process of comparison, we are losing our worth. It's not like losing, we just don't recognize how worthy we are. Instead of comparison, or instead of comparing outside or externally, you can have an internal comparison. We can always compare with ourselves at what level we are today, and we can check with ourselves whether we have increased our version or whether we have become a best version of ourselves. And that is the point which helps us in our growth. Comparing with what you are yesterday with what you are today, and trying to increase upon either your knowledge level or physical capabilities or the person as a whole from today to a little better version tomorrow is what needed to be done. Thank you very much.